The site of a new aerospace testing facility, Shield AI, a defense technology company, has selected the Newton City County Airport as their new home for their flight test facility operations. The project could potentially create 30 to 60 full-time jobs in Harvey County, with the possibility of more jobs with a manufacturing facility in the future.
Upper-level jobs, pilots, technical people, software engineers. So we're excited that to have those type of professionals located in our community.
The Newton City Commission approved the lease last night at their meeting.